All combinations of a list of lists. I'm basically looking for a Python version of combination of list, int. Given a list of lists, I need a new list that gives all the possible combinations of items between the lists. The number of lists is unknown, so I need something that works for all cases. Bonus points for elegance.
You need ittertools.product.
The most elegant solution is to use ittertools.product in Python 2.6. If you aren't using Python 2.6, the docs for ittertools.product actually show an equivalent function to do the product the manual way.
Simply use ittertools.product.
Nothing wrong with straight-up recursion for this task, no need for external dependencies, and if you need a version that works with strings, this might fit your needs.